Hi friend, this is a puzzle. It's 2 pages and the pieces are here. You probably will need an adult to help you with this. So they're going to cut it out for you and you can put all the pieces together. So it's kind of a funny trick to go around these edges. So again, an adult's probably the best person to do this for you. And then you can put all the pieces together. I'm going to cut. What a fun sound that makes. Cut. You have to kind of go pretty close to the pieces. There's some straight edges, there's some curvy edges. If you're trying to do this, take your time because you want the pieces to match up when you're all finished. So here you go. You see the pieces are starting to match up already. Put it together. Looks like this lady's wearing a grocery vest. Oops, my paper went flying. Does that ever happen to you? It's kind of silly. I like to call it flying paper. When you're all finished with this, you can do it over and over and over and figure it out. Does it go here? Does it not go here? Let's see. You can mix it all up and try again. Let's see. If it doesn't fit one time, just keep turning the puzzle piece until it fits. I'm not going to cut it all out for you to see. Give it a try. If you need help, let me know. But I think mom and dad or another adult can help you. But again, just put the pieces together. And have lots of fun with this, okay? Because you can do it over and over. And it's something to do with the grocery store. Have fun. Bye, friends.